Divine Holy Ones, thank you for being this space. Thank you for being this space of us. So here we are. This is our new human connection. We have a lot of different connections, yes? And yet here we are acknowledging our new human. Where do new humans live? Yes, you're right. I know you're thinking it. The new earth, the new earth. Yes, you are the vibration of the new earth, Holy One. Thank you for being that. And even if we're bobbling in and out of maybe the remembrance of the new human, some days we remember more and we implement more as that new human, being new. Yes, thinking new, responding new, speaking new, feeling new. Even if we have a bubble moment, we're still the new human, stretching ourselves, if you will, into that new alignment connection. Does this make sense to you? Yes, good, great. Even those experiential spaces that you might call a wobble or a trigger or, uncomfortable, daunting, big in some way, they're valuable, those moments. Isn't that a really powerful way to identify them? They're valuable because they are a space that we designed that would assist us in stretching, assist us in anchoring and expanding our new flow, our new vibration. Given an old space, yes, follow me here, Holy Ones, given an old space and responding in a new way is the massive notification, if you will, that you and I are sending out, that we are being our new vibration. Because we will, in all experiential spaces, have the opportunity to be what we've been, right? It's always available. We know how to do it well. Some of us have done been spaces longer. Yes, maybe spaces even in your life. Maybe there are pockets, places, spaces that you are still being the Ben you, right? The old you, more so than the new you. And they are valuable. Take that with you today. Take the word valuable with you today. Put it in your back pocket. And as you continue to expand, because that's what we're all doing, and everybody's doing it at a different increment, at different intervals of spaces of themselves. But you'll have it in your back pocket that this is valuable. What will that do? You know what it will do. I'm just going to confirm what you already know. It will shift everything even faster into that higher alignment of you because you chose to see it as valuable. You aligned it with that choice of value, yes, to its higher flow as well. Are you with me? Wonderful. I love it. Fantastic. Thank you for that. Hello, hello, all of the beautiful hellos and love coming in to the chat. Thank you for this. Hello, hello, Rebecca. I'm grateful you're here as well, Gregory. Let's adjust those rabbit ears, Murph. I love it. Fantastic. Gregory is so deep. He has a way of wording things that gives us a visual if we will allow ourselves to see it. We've talked about the rabbit ears. We've talked about the human body. We've talked about the way in which you and I are an antenna. We are broadcasting and we are receiving. Do you understand? The rabbit ears are on the TV, the older TV maybe, and you adjust them and they begin to be able, when they hit that certain point, they pick up the reception clearer. Right. So lovely wording there, Gregory. Let's adjust those rabbit ears. And Murph is a connotation, yes, a connection point to our beautiful remembrance of ourselves as the higher dimensional ones, assisting ourselves. It's a connection point to Interstellar, the movie. If you haven't watched it, watch it. One of the characters is named Murph. And they realize in that movie, this is not a spoiler, this is just a little teeny bit of info, but it's all right. You can still watch the movie. And if I share this with you, they realize that in a sense, they're multidimensional. It's like us really coming into the space of ourselves. They're becoming new humans. And in that movie, they realize that they are assisting themselves from a higher space of their being through what we would understand as time and space, and even in an understanding of dimensions. So we're going to adjust the rabbit ears today. I love it. Love it. We're going to adjust the rabbit ears today. We're going to adjust our antenna. We're going to fine tune our broadcast. Yes, your broadcast creates your world, and our collective broadcast creates our collective world. Yes? Yes? All right, good.